Hello faculty, let's set up the gradebook properly. First, go to the assignments page, click the plus group button, type in the name of the group, and click save. Then, make sure that all the graded exercises are in their appropriate group. You also need to make sure that the total points in the grading policy in the syllabus matches the overall total points in the gradebook by the end of the semester. Now, if you are using the weight system, click the three-dot button and select Assignment Group Weight. Check this box and assign percentages and click Save. Make sure that the total is 100% and all the exercises are in their appropriate group. Again, to confirm that the setup is correct, compare it to the grading policy in your syllabus. One other thing you need to remember is to make sure that all of the exercises are unpublished until they're actually ready. Or if they are published, make sure that the available date is set up. Next, go to Grades, confirm that the groups are there with the correct percentages. I would recommend that you click View, then click Notes, and unclick Unpublished Assignments to clean up your gradebook. The Notes section is where you can add notes about the student, such as last date of attendance, cheating information, etc. Explore these links and options when you get a chance. This gear icon is for the gradebook settings on late policies and grade posting policy. So for example, if your policy says 10% deduction per day of late submission, click this box and type in 10. Once you're done, click Update. So that's it for grade accuracy and gradebook functions.